Hey guys, and we're back on another video, and today we're gonna be finding me a YouTube trailer for my channel. So we're gonna go to this Panzoid, and it's very late at night. It's 12:18 a.m. But I don't got no school tomorrow, so we go to Panzoid. Then I'm gonna find me an intro. I'll be right back. So guys, I find my intro finally, and I edited it. It took a long time, trust me. And this is how it looked like. But that looks a little bit sick. Yeah, well that's good. So I hope you guys like this video, and if we could hit 50 subscribers, then I'ma let this intro out. Like, you know, I'm gonna make a video on Roblox. I'm gonna show you how to get free Robux if we hit 50 subscribers. I'm gonna play Roblox, show you how to get free Robux, how to get free Robux to buy Bloxburg, enough Robux to buy clothes, and then this intro will be coming on every video. Like every video I make, the first thing you're gonna see is the intro. So bye, hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more videos. Like I said, if we hit 50 subscribers, you already know what's gonna happen. Peace out.